Welcome students in the class. Yesterday we learned about a fluid connective tissue which we call as the blood. The blood is a red colored fluid which contains some iron containing red respiratory pigment named as the hemoglobin. And the hemoglobin molecules absorb the oxygen from the lungs and transfer it to the different parts of the body with the help of the arteries or the blood capillaries to the different body tissues and the different parts of the body. So in this way, the blood maintains the entire continuity in the entire body by transferring some essential substances like some organic materials, albumin, fibrinogen, some glucose, amino acids, hormones, enzymes, lipids, and even some nutrients and vitamins to the different parts of the body and the body tissues. During this transfer of the essential substances with the help of the blood capillaries, some amount of a colorless liquid out of the blood capillaries is being filtered out of the blood capillaries, and it is being transported and transferred to the lymphatic capillaries present near the blood capillaries. As you can see in this figure, this is a heart, and the arteries are taking away the blood from the heart to the different parts of the body or the body tissues, and the veins, which are in blue color, are taking back the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. So from this process we can understand that there is a continuous flow of blood from heart to the different body tissues or the body parts, and from the different body tissues and the body parts back to the heart. During this process, there is some kind of seepage or leakage or filtering out of the certain essential substances which I told you just now, like vitamins, nutrients, some proteins, fats, some digested food. All these substances has been a bit filtered out of these capillaries and is being transferred and is being not able to being transferred back to the heart. So in this way, these lymphatic capillaries transfer this filtered out blood or the colorless liquid back to the heart with the help of this greenish color capillaries or the lymphatic capillaries or the lymph vessels. So in this transfer, students, we understand that the lymph is a colorless fluid that is filtered out of the blood capillaries, and its composition is similar to that of the blood, except that the red blood corpuscles and the blood proteins are almost absent in it. Nearly about there are some proteins in the lymph, but mostly they are only absent in it, and the WBCs are in abundance. So you can see in this figure there is a lymph node. This lymph node contains some WBCs, that is the white blood cells, which are helpful in cleansing the lymph which is being transferred from the body tissues, from the nearby intercellular region of the body tissues to the back to the heart. So this lymph node contains some lymphocytes which cleanses the body tissue, which cleanses the liquid lymph, and it transfers to the back to the heart with the help of the vein. So in this way, students, we understand that the lymph transports the nutrients, oxygen, glucose that may have been filtered out of the blood capillaries back into the heart to be recirculated in the body. Similarly, it brings carbon dioxide and nitrogenous waste from the tissue fluids to the blood, which has to be exhaled out of the body with the help of the lungs, and it is being loaded with WBC such as lymphocytes. The lymph protects the body against infections. It forms a defense or immune system of the body. So lymph is very essential. So there are two systems in our body, that is a blood circulatory system and a lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is meant for transferring those fluids which have been filtered out of the blood capillaries back to the heart, and it is stopping any kind of wastage by providing such a lymphatic circulatory system. And the blood circulatory system is a transfer of blood from the heart to the body tissues and from body tissues back to the heart. In this way, students, we understand that the lymph is very essential. Both the fluid connected tissues, that is the blood and lymph, play an important role in the blood circulatory system as well as the lymphatic system. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.